Hey everybody, Chris here. Has Dogecoin seen its bottom? I'm going to explore that in this video. First, I just wanted to give everyone an update. People have been asking. Yes, my last YouTube channel was taken down by Google, and I've been working with them to get it restored, and it ended up not being possible. So I had to restart. So here it is, restarted, and I'm just now Chris. So subscribe to the Chris channel if you haven't already. I know many of you have probably subscribed to me before and you're wondering what's going on. So subscribe again. I'm back doing new videos. So let's talk about Dogecoin. We're looking at the daily here. And on the daily, zoomed out, we're looking at a bearish trend now since January. And this is a downward trending triangle. But what I'm going to be looking at is this 11-cent bottom and whether that is indeed the bottom or not. What we saw was trading around 1360. Again, this was late January into early February. Traded up early February up to 17 cents and came back down. And we thought that 1360 was support. However, 21st of February, we saw Dogecoin trade below that line. And what was support then becomes resistance. This is a classic symbol here of a bearish market where you think you have support, trades below it, and then can't get back above it, bounces off and trades lower. So that's the bearish market. That's what we've been in, this downward descending triangle. However, looking down here at 11 cents, this could be the bottom. This could be the sign that there is a bullish signal. RSI finally starting to come up. The RSI on Dogecoin on the daily has been under 50, again, since early February. So this is leading towards an upward trend. That's what I see here. Let's look at Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin, Bitcoin had its downward channel from November until late January, that last dump. And late January, 21st and 22nd. That was the bottom for Bitcoin. Bitcoin traded back up above 37,000, and 37,000 has become Bitcoin support. Bitcoin has not traded below that. 45,000 being resistance, and Bitcoin has traded sideways since then, between 37 and 45. Bitcoin has oscillated between its RSI being above 50 and below 50. But really hugging sort of that 50 line, but not Doge. Doge has been down lower. So for Doge to turn around, that means the RSI is going to have to get up above 50, and we're going to have to see a breakout from this downward descending triangle up, and we're going to have to retest 1360 and hopefully trade above it. Others are looking at this too. This is AMB Crypto, evaluating the potential, the bullish case for Dogecoin. So again, Doge oscillated between 32 cents and 14 cents over the last 9 months, and then the bears flipped it. Bears flipped from support to resistance. And that's what I saw as well. So what he's looking at is this sort of long-term support. He's got forming a falling wedge, and that wedge goes much further back. But I'm looking at this falling. It's really a triangle that he's looking at, and I'm looking at as well. That this is going to be turning around here, and that's looking at the same thing. So since its October highs, Dogecoin has declined over 69%. So how to turn that around? That's going to be the challenge here. What we see is on FX Street, Dogecoin price shows evidence of a market bottom before Doge spikes to 16 cents. Dogecoin price finds whales and retail buyers, but no follow-through higher. What we saw was Dogecoin trading up on Monday. We saw a bullish reversal, but then Doge trading higher was promptly hit by sellers, smacking Doge lower for only a 2% gain. That bearish rejection continued into the Tuesday trade session. So what happens is you get some momentum, and people are taking profits. That is that sort of immediate up and down. What we see is swing traders. Swing traders are buying the dips and then selling, scalping, and taking profits. They're not holding long term. And so that selling that happens every time there's a little spike in Dogecoin is going to keep it down. And that's just how Dogecoin has been trading. There are sideline bulls that will likely return to Dogecoin if it can close at or above 12 cents. So there are some who are waiting to see what happens because Dogecoin does have the potential, again, of dropping below 11 cents, could go in the tens. I think that would be bad for Doge to drop below 11 and be trading consistently in the tens. We saw a couple little dips into the upper tens, but that consistent trading down below 11 cents would not be good and would continue this bearish decline. So here's the chart. This is what we're looking at. Dogecoin trying to turn around here. We'll look at the daily on the RSI on how Doge is trading. Right now, over the past 12 hours, all the cryptos are in the green, which is good. Good sign for the crypto market. We'll see how it reacts today. The Fed is supposed to be announcing an interest rate hike. Were those interest rates already priced in? That we'll see. Is there a correlation between interest rates and crypto? Not really. That more affects the stock market. However, what we see is that sometimes when there's immediate news and the stock market goes down, the crypto market will go down too, in reaction to the news, whether it actually has an immediate correlation or not. That's what we see, though. People just selling the news with the FUD, and that keeps the prices down. So we'll be watching that as Doge turns around, see if we can get back into an upward trend, break out of this triangle, and become bullish once again. That's my take on Doge, looking at whether this 11 cent is really the bottom, and hope you all are doing well, and we'll see you next time.